Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Now, I put the coilovers in not that long ago, as you probably know, or if you don't, I've put them in. Anyway, since I've put the coilovers in, I haven't done a wheel alignment, and I do my wheel alignments at home, so they're a little bit rough, but if you're looking to do your own wheel alignment, I'll try and show you just what I do, and I'll basically try to explain what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the long piece of wood to try and adjust the toe right. I've got a few adjustable arms in the back. It's not too far out of alignment, that's why I haven't worried about it. You'll see on the other side here. I'm just going to sort of check it and make some minor adjustments of it. I'm probably going to move the camber out a little bit so it'll fill out that guard a little bit more and probably get it, like, it might almost run into positive camber, I don't know, we'll see what it looks like when it's done. My 325 I had a little bit more camber out, I suppose, because it used to just scrape here, just scrape the edge here on the guard a little bit, and these ones aren't doing that, so obviously, yeah, I can probably run it a little bit more and just make sure that everything's all as it should be, or as close as it should be, without using professional tools. So anyway, I'll get the car jacked up and see what's under the car from there. I probably will jack it up, take the wheel off to get to it a bit better. But what I'm going to do first is just see how it is at the moment. Now I'm going to try and see, this piece of wood's pretty straight, so it's a bit dodgy, but anyway, if I put the bit of wood on there, you'll see that it pretty much goes straight along the car. If I put it a bit lower, it goes straight along the car. And if I come up a bit, let's see what happens. Pretty good. So toe seems to be pretty good. This is pretty dodgy, but because the car's probably not exactly flat, but if I pop this on here, I get a bit of an indication of the camber. Now I want this to come out, probably not that far, but I think the car's a little higher on this side and a little lower on the other side, so that's why it's like this. I probably want this to come out maybe like that far, so couple mils out. Same on the other side. Now we're in here, yeah, you can see the coilovers I put in not that long ago, and then my adjustable control arms just for the toe and the camber here. I haven't got this front one in like I had in my 325. I'm still wondering if I should put it in there just to get rid of those soft joints there, but it's, you know, I can't even really bend it, so it should be alright for now, I guess. I'm just going to loosen up these because this is the camber arm, which I'm probably going to want to get a bit more camber out in it. So I'll loosen them up, then I'll drop the car back down and I'll try and get to it from the bottom and adjust it while the weight of the car's on it. So let's go. So it just takes a 24 mil on that nut there, and I'd say it's probably, oh actually no, 22 fits pretty good. It could be a little more snug, I reckon, maybe a 21 or something imperial, I don't know, but 22 works, it's just a bit loose. But yeah, it works to hold it, so let's get that cracked. Okay, they're all loose now, and it seems that if you turn this towards the back, that's what pushes it out. So I've given it a few turns. I'll put the wheel back on and drop it back down onto these, see how it sits, and then see if I can reach up from the bottom to give it any minor adjustments. Get it sitting right, I'll set the toe, and then I'll jack it back up, take the wheel off and tighten it all back up, and hopefully it'll be all nice and won't rub too much on here. Alrighty, let's go. Now that it's back on the ground, those couple of winds out I got it a bit better. So here we are under the car, and it might be a bit hard to tell. We're going to be trying to get to the upper control arm. So that's it there. That. I got to get my 22 mil on and just spin that upwards like that. And then, I don't know if you can see this, that fuel filler neck's in the way a little bit. I managed to get a bit of a turn on it. You can reach it, it's doable. Let's go and see if that's made a difference. Let's see how that's looking. Pop this up there. So that's starting to look pretty good. That rim's just sticking out a little bit, and the tire will stretch back under. See how the toe is. Ooh. Okay, so the toe is toeing out a fair bit, so I'll have to get in there and wind that back in. We're going to be adjusting this one, and we want to push it out that way. 24 up there again. See how that looks. That looks pretty good. That toe straight forward and camber. I mean, like, would be a bit like that, I suppose. But yeah, nice gap there. Okay, let's tighten that back up. 22 and the 24. Now that that's where we want it, I'm going to tighten these back up so they go that way and they go that way. I'll just crank them up. That's all tight now, and this one's all tight now, and should be ready to put the wheel back on. So I'll do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll get this all back together and on the ground, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go. We're back on the ground now. The wheels are looking like they're filling up the guards a little bit more. Camber's like straight up and down. I took it for a quick drive and it didn't even scrub at all, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. There it is, looking from the front. It's looking pretty cool. The front, it's a similar idea with the front. You just gotta put the wood on there and line it up. I don't know, I only know how to change the toe in the front really. To change the camber and stuff, I think you need camber plates and all that sort of stuff, so which I don't have. But yeah, that's them. So yeah, definitely pretty up and down right now. It's similar to what I had on the 325 before. They were something like this. Yeah, I'm all sweaty now and pretty dirty and stuff. But it was good to get that done. I'd been meaning to since I put the coilovers in, give it a little bit of a wheel alignment, backyard wheel alignment obviously. I've done this before, I think in a couple of videos, but yeah, I guess that's just another little job that I wanted to get done. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like or comment, share it around if you want, and be sure to subscribe to see more. I'll have a few more things to do when I get the time to do it. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.